through the George Mason University Law School page. And please join me in thanking Professor Odlyzko for Thank you. Let's move right after the You need this?
Actually, it's an interesting test of one's mental balance. It used to be, like a decade ago, I had no problems. These days,
it occurs to me that there's a book by a guy named Leibowitz, an economist, who wrote a wonderful book on the network. Well, he's the same one. It's Leibowitz and Margolis, but it's the Leibowitz. But he wrote a book about 2003, 2004 on the bubble. But I would comment when you say web ban and stuff like that, he says very nicely in the book, he explains to you some business models, like the long tail stuff, like Amazon, okay, or you see now the social networking stuff. Yes, that's internet driven. But there are all these business models, like web ban, classic, that had very little to do with the internet. But people got swept up in the dot-com. They had a dot-com address like anybody did. It was unclear that it had really anything much, some efficiencies, so sort of standard, every decade you get efficiency sort of stuff. Whereas things like Amazon or the long tail, yes, that's a new business. And then of course the entry by the brick and mortar side, because of the low entry cost, that was underestimated. But anyway, that book focused a lot of my thinking on differentiating the business model. And a lot of that argument it makes is this path dependency stuff. It's very influential too. And everybody in the path dependency side thinks the same. You have to be first. There has to be a race. The first guy gets everything, so that's your monopoly. That's Leibowitz's part. To be first doesn't always. The race was pumped up much beyond what the facts. So the whole path dependency thing, obviously Leibowitz and Margolis were the ones that said, "Qwerty, no, there's not a path dependency problem. It's just the fish and this other stuff that's phoning up. The Borat story is not right." So they did that. So he's criticizing the path dependency. If you're the first guy in, you win millions. If the second guy in, you sell it. Anyway, that book would be very useful to you. It's Leibowitz.
I'm Jim DeLong. I've read and enjoyed your paper already, so I'm looking forward to give my hearing it again.
We have a large amount of business on here.